right, guys. So, interesting day. Listen up for a second. So, my morning started with taking over 370 gigabytes of footage, importing it into Premiere Pro, taking 3 hours, getting about 70% of the video done of this massive 3-day, 4-day filming process of an Elgin septic system that Corey did. And my computer crashed. Now, I'm really trying to hold back, not losing my mind right now. I can't believe that that happened. It was 3 hours of work gone, 70% of the entire video. So, I have zero motivation to edit those clips over again because I'm just so aggravated that I don't even want to see that footage right now. So that is a video for next week. So if you're watching this, welcome to Friday. I'm gonna hopefully take a couple hours of footage because luckily enough, we got a lot going on here today. And if you follow us on Instagram at KWC2000, then you'll know that this week has been unreal for topsoil. I have never sold so much topsoil in my life, and I'm not exaggerating. It is nuts. Like, I think yesterday was 800 cubic yards, and then today's gonna be close to 1,000 cubic yards. So it's really interesting stuff going on here today. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. This is exactly what I did today. If you're watching this, respect the hustle, and I'm an idiot for not saving what I was doing. But let's go tell Corey about what happened and see how he thinks. Oh my God. I can't fucking believe I did that. Fuck! All right, here's the operation. As fast as it's going, coming off that belt, it's leaving the yard. You got Corey and Al, they're having a talk over here. Look at that beautiful stuff. We got Cody over there. All right, let's go tell Corey what we did. Corey, I got something to tell you.
Yeah.
Okay, so I fucking started editing all that footage. I just spent 2 hours doing it. Computer crashed.
You should delete it all.
Nope. Didn't delete it all, but I lost everything that I did up to this point today on the entire video. I had 70% of it done. So I'm sick of it. It's next week's video. I'm filming what I'm filming now, and I'm gonna release this today. So this is exactly what we did today. So how do you feel about that?
My advice to you would be to just work harder.
Yeah. I'm so fucking mad. I can't believe that, but I just figured that if I go ahead and try and film or edit what I just did, it's not gonna turn out the same because I don't want to look at it. But
spend the time. We got a beautiful day. We'll get some good stuff today.
All right, WCI's here to get loaded up. Al's gonna load him up. He's moving soil. Let's get shit done. Moving some soil. He's got to help Al clean out this top chute. So I'm gonna mount you guys on Cody and get some shots of him getting some dry material.
Hey guys, I'm Cody Kennedy. Started working here about 3 weeks ago. I've been on the shovel for about, I'd say 7 times now, but it's pretty mint. I'm getting used to it now. At the start it was pretty rusty, but yeah, getting the hang of it. I'm just trying to find some dry topsoil right now. Just mixing it up and trying to find them. Finally found some dry stuff yesterday. dealing with a bunch of clay. So, yeah, I'm liking it here. Get treated well. Everyone's enjoyable to work with. Everyone loves coming to work in the morning. Never have a bad day. It's just so enjoyable to work here, and yeah, not too far from home. But yeah. Starting to get into some rocks and stuff. There's some dry stuff like that.
All right, I was climbing up those piles, so I'm out of breath. But me and Corey are going to go get coffee and burgers. Corey brought a little barbecue to work today, so we're gonna treat the guys to a little barbecue lunch. All right, let's go do that. Well, we're stuck behind a slow-moving vehicle, but I guess it's okay because it's a cat.
What's everybody doing today? Friday, May 31st, sun shining, we're screening topsoil. Topsoil, it's going out because I'm loading trucks as well.
Sorry to interrupt the current video. I really just thought that you guys would really want to hear this, that KWC finally has merchandise. You guys asked for it, we acted on it. We've been working so hard on this, Gabby especially, all week. All over the website you can buy just shirts just like these, and shirts that the guys are wearing, these hats, we have the sweaters, everything is on the website. Head over there, go check it out. The link is in the description, and honestly guys, I'm not just saying this, but you need to act fast. We have a very, very limited stock available, and you need to go and get them right now. And basically what I want you guys to do, give me some feedback on the merchandise. Let me know what you guys like, maybe what you don't like about it. Let me know. Right now, our apparel is actually only available to Canadian residents. Now, I'm sorry for some of you that are going, but let me work with you on that, okay? If you're from the States or you're outside of Canada and you would like some merchandise, reach out to me and I will do everything I can. We're just having a hard time working out shipping rates right now. This is a massive, massive leap for us here at KWC, and I really want to take a second to just thank you guys, because this is all curated from you guys, our audience, and without you guys, this would not even be a thing. So thank you from the bottom of my heart, as well as everybody else on the team. I want to appreciate all the support. I read all the comments. So thank you guys. I truly appreciate it. And make sure that you subscribe and stay tuned for more exciting content. All right, so I'm hoping this video, sorry, I probably shouldn't drive while I go on to this. I'm hoping that this video doesn't seem rushed. It's not. There's actually a lot going on today with soil, large quantities of soil going out. But next week, there's an Elgin video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the merch release that I plugged in this. Now, I don't want people to think that it's like I'm selling the merch because it's like, oh, we're gonna sell it and make a ton of money. That's not the case, and that's why we only ordered a limited quantity of it. A lot of people were asking for it, so that's why we ended up doing it, and the option's there if you wanted to buy it. I'm not pushing it. I don't care if you don't buy it. Just watching these videos and commenting and giving thumbs ups and subscribing is enough. It's just crazy that I can actually do this, and a lot of local people are starting to even pick up and watch it more, and we're growing more even on our Instagram. But I think I'll probably take all this footage I just took, compile it into a video. We're gonna have a company barbecue, and if you want to see the company barbecue, head over to our Instagram at KWC2000, because I'll post stories and stuff from it on there. I just gotta stop filming now so that this is actually up, edited, exported, and uploaded on time. So thank you guys for watching today. I appreciate if you watch the entire video. Thank you for letting me make these videos, and thanks for watching and engaging with it. You guys are the best. I appreciate it. No, I didn't forget. If you're one of the true patrons of the channel that watched the entire video, I want you guys to comment down below, Dirty Mayhem. Comment down below if you watched the entire video in its eternity, Dirty Mayhem, because that's what today was. It was mayhem filled with lots of dirt. Thank you guys. I appreciate you, and we'll see you on the next one. Woo!